guys, this is Ronak as well as Blackistic. So today we are going to make sketch of Postmalone as well as Wiz Khalifa as I announced it on my Instagram. If you don't follow my Instagram, go check the link in the description and follow me there. Today I'm going to use these two posts as reference. So let's get started. Oh yeah. Guys, I had completed making sketches. Let's fill some sexy shades.
It's going down, 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 down. We gon' party all night, no sleep. Tell the owner them is all my guys. So tonight everything is on me. The drinks is on me. The hotel, the is all free. Get high, me so high we don't see the whole. So sweet, we can fly to a level where you gon' need your own key.
So guys, I was making sketch of Postmalone, but it did not came out the way I wanted. So let's continue with Khalifa. Guys, I had completed making sketch. Let's make some doodles. Kinda complete, guys. Wait for the review. Hope you guys like the video. Do like, comment, share and subscribe for more fun. Oh yeah.